I'm Mint Salad, and it's time to draw an Ivysaur. This will get you started on your Pokemon drawing adventure. With that said, first draw a small oval for the head, and a larger oval southwest and through the head oval to create the body oval. Starting from the back leg, draw an oval that has a flat edge on the very bottom of the oval. This is the hind leg. Draw another oval for the front leg, coming at an angle, but keeping the flat edge even with the other legs. Finish the furthest leg oval by drawing two curved parallel lines and adding a flat edge to connect the lines. Make sure your Ivysaur looks sturdy and strong. You don't want this Ivysaur falling down. Starting from the intersection point of the two body circles, draw a triangle for the ear, and do the same on the other side of the head, but almost close to the edge of the circle. In between the triangles, draw a curved line from the top to the bottom of the head circle. Use this line to draw two somewhat curved arches connecting at a point for the mouth and nose. Draw two triangles coming down from the mouth arch. For the eyes, draw a perpendicular line above the mouth arch line, running through the body oval line, with either point on the line equally distant from the closest line to that point. Finish drawing the eye triangle, and do the same for the other eye. Draw two arches in a parabola and the bigger eye, and one arch plus parabola and the smaller eye. This eye is further away in perspective, so you'll see less in the eye. Place a skin triangle on the forehead, and draw a couple triangles inside the ears, plus two nose slits. From the intersection of the head triangle and outer inner ear vertex, draw a curved line about 2/3 the size of the head oval diameter. Place an arching line that connects at the top of the newly placed line, and finish this top leaf by drawing another arching line underneath. From the top middle of the oval body, draw a line 2/3 the length of the body oval diameter. Draw two parallel lines on either side of the middle line about 3/4 the length of the middle. From both line ends, draw a diagonal line to connect to the middle point. Draw another line parallel to the body oval edge, coming out the edge of the newly drawn leaf about 1/4 up the leaf, until the line reaches the same X point as the corner of the leaf. After that, draw a curved arch that connects to the middle of the back thigh. Place a semicircle between the middle and head leaves, close to the center of the body oval, but lots of circle room to flesh out the flower petals. From one edge of the circle, draw a couple spikes on the top edge of the petal, before drawing another curve to meet the edge of the leaf. Repeat this process on the other side of the flower. After that, draw an arch in the middle of the two spiky petals to connect them. Go down to the legs and draw 3 right angle triangles for each foot. These are the claws. To create the leaf fringes, draw a triangle starting from close to the top of the leaf corner. Keep drawing triangles all the way down both sides, making sure the vertexes almost touch the middle line of the leaf. Repeat this for all leaves, making sure anything adjacent to the leaf fringes connects to the leaf by the fringe, and not the negative space between fringes. Finally, start to draw the markings on the body. They are on the legs and back, usually shaped as triangles or quadrilaterals. Now it's time to do the line art. Create a new layer above the sketch layer, reducing the sketch layer opacity to 20 to 30%. Draw over your sketch layer, starting with the body. Once you work on the leaves, make sure you draw only the fringes, leaving the negative space available. Don't forget to draw 4 to 5 zigzags right underneath the flower petal that connects with the edge of the leaf. Add a couple more layers of the zigzags close to the back of the Ivysaur. When drawing the skin patches, use a thinner brush. Now that you have completed the line art for Ivysaur, now it's time to color. Duplicate the line art layer and lock the top line art layer. Use the bottom layer to fill the Ivysaur in a light turquoise and the spots a darker, more blue turquoise, plus an off blue white for the claws, white eyes, and middle white circle in the eye. Don't forget the red for the outer eye arch and black for the one next to that. Use a light green for the leaves, a pastel yellow for the zigzag area, and pastel pink for the flower. Now it's time to shade. Create a new top layer and choose a blue-purple. Shade on the underside of the body, outer edge of the legs, inside of the outside ear, underneath the mouth and teeth, the bottom edge of each leaf fringe, the outer edge of the flower, plus the area on the flower next to the leaves. Don't forget to place the shadow underneath the Ivysaur before changing the blending mode to multiply and reducing the layer opacity to 40%. Now it's time to add some highlights. Use a light pink to add an edge coming from the opposite side of the shadow. Add an edge to the eyes and eyelid, side of the face, the most top leaf fringes, and the edge of the legs and flower petals. The last thing to do is change the blending mode to overlay or add, and change the opacity to 40%. And that's it, how to draw an Ivysaur. If you like this video, watch another one. I post these videos early and on my patreon.com/ASCpresents, and I'll see y'all later, my salad croutons and bacon bits.